Now that you are comfortable with GitHub and the different tools it comes with, you are ready to start using it for your own projects. It's also a good idea to check the different repositories existing on GitHub and even contribute to some open source projects if you like. So if you go to github.com/trending, you'll find trending repositories. You can adjust the time span if you like. So you can select by this week or this month or even today. So let's have a look at this top one at the moment. So this is a nice project. It's a note app, which is similar to Evernote. So this is an open source project. You can clone this repository to your own computer, test the app and check how it works. You can check their code and how they structured everything. You can also learn some best practices from whatever they have done. You can also fork this project to your own GitHub account and make contributions if you like. You can add a new feature and then make a pull request so that they incorporate it in their projects. You can check other projects like this one. So this one sounds like a really exciting project. So it's about the history of everything. So you can see that they're using some really nice animations and a beautiful design for their app. So again, it's a good idea to clone this to your own computer and then check how they built this project. Now, it's also a good idea to start your own projects and invite your friends to contribute to the project. So you can manage the projects in a way that everyone contributes or builds a specific feature in the project. So this will give you a good understanding of how teamwork can be managed and how you can do collaborative work in GitHub.